hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today we're going to look at advanced Binance trading strategies for beginners and also for advanced users. Okay, so before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do it subscribe, like our videos, and also share our videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. Okay, so without waste of time, we're going to dive into it quickly so that we can see what exactly we're doing here. Okay, so first thing first, you must understand on Binance, you must understand that Binance is the best exchange or leading exchange in the world today. Okay, and a lot of people trust these Binance exchanges, and they're running a lot of activities here, so there's nothing for you to be afraid here on Binance. All right, so without waste of time, we're going to dive into it quickly and see what we can gain from it. So if you come to Binance, you can see this place is a favorite. We don't actually deal with this very place much. You can see here, this is hot, it's one of our targets. You can see this is gainers, this is losers, and also this is new. Okay, but one of our major targets here is going to be on this hot and on these losers, and the third target here is going to be on this search bar. Okay, but first let's talk about the hot. So looking at the hot, any exchange you see here under this hot are traded every minute. Like, their level of flexibility is very high. Okay, they are full of what? Ups and down. They are very full of ups and down. This place you can gain a lot of profit when you dive into this carefully. Why I say carefully is that you need to look at some of those candles movement before you dive into it. So which one are we going to check? Let's check out the major cryptocurrency coin known as the BTC. Okay, so looking at the BTC, you can see that this BTC is being ups and down. You can see it fell from 88,500. You can see actually that it's been ups and down. In yesterday's video, I told you that whenever you see a lot of high decline, it's time for you to buy, and make sure it's a strong cryptocurrency coin, not all those new coin that you go and invest on it and it will be on the ground for like a very long time. So you come to this place to click on this very candle. Okay, so clicking on this very candle, you can see the time interval between them. This one came up around 9. Yes, it's come up around 9. And when does it attain this little high here? It was around okay, around 9 to 21 minus 12. Okay, 21 minus 12 is around 8. Okay, which roughly took like maybe probably 12 hours for it to come up. Okay, so you're going to look at it carefully and invest on it, because if you invest on it, it's not going to stay on the ground. It's going to come up for you to like take your little profit and wait for another opportunity. You can be trading it every 9 hours depending on the time interval in between them. Okay, you can come over again to choose maybe Binance. Look at it carefully, see how exactly it works, and look at the time interval in between them. Then you invest on them. Why you should invest on the hot is that it's being traded every minute. A lot of people attention is going to be on that hot, and you being on the hot as well, you're going to make profit for yourself. Okay, so I want to make this class brief. If you have any question, you can go on to ask me at the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. So why do I talk about the losers? Okay, why do I talk about these people known as the losers? So every coin here is assumed that it has been down for like a while and it is been going down without profit. Okay, so if you come to this place now, you're going to look at you look at the ones with the highest negativity, which is you can see this what is it called? You can see this hard has the highest negativity, which is minus 20 something. Okay, minus 29. You can see another one which is next, which is beta, which have also a high negativity. You can see it. So all those ones are assumed to be coming up back in the soon time. So investing on it will not be too risky for you. But one thing you must always check is that you must always look at the coins that are high in the market. Okay, you must always look at the most important crypto coin. Okay, always look at the most important crypto coin, because you can just come and invest in any coin that is because it's a baby and you think it's going to make you a lot of profit. No, always look at strong coins like BTC, like BNB, like ETH, and SOL, which is Solana. Okay, SRP sometimes you can look into it because it's going to give you something good, because we're all hoping that XRP will blow up, in fact pump up in the nearest time. It won't be longer anymore. Okay, so and that is it for that. As I said earlier, I want to make this video very brief. Okay, so the next thing I want us to look at is the search bar button I talk about. You can see this search bar button. You can see each time you come to this place and you realize that Binance is advertising a particular coin, then dive into it. Look at it carefully. If it's not too pump high, you can dive into it and start making your profits for yourself. All right, you can dive into it and start making a profit for yourself. You can see it's advertising baby, and this baby coin, let's go to look at this baby coin. And this baby coin, fortunately, is under the hot. You can see it's under the hot, and this is the baby coin. It has already plus 161, which is a very good move. Okay, it's already at what? At plus 161. You can look at it. Wow, this baby is a new coin. All right, so looking at it 15 minutes, you can see this baby is a new coin. Wow. So this new coin that is currently being advertised, this is to tell you that this coin will do well, because and Binance is not even shaking it. They are advertising only this coin. So I think this coin is something that you should pay your attention on and invest on it in order for you to what? To make a rational profit for yourself. Okay, so if you do have any question, do not forget to drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. And do not forget, this coin is a coin you must watch. It's a coin you must watch. Okay, and let's look at the network of this particular coin. Okay, yeah, I think it's now showing up here, but it's bearish and it's it's green and red is still dragging. It's still dragging. Actually, they are dragging very much. So it's something that you can watch, pay your attention carefully, and definitely you make a lot of profit from here. So start looking out for it. Okay, so this brings me to the end of the very class. I'm stopping here. If you do have any question, drop it. I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.